Hi guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this card. Look at that, it folds absolutely flat for mailing. It's called a Flower Trough Card or a Flower Planter Box Card, whatever you want to call it. It's cute, it has flowers, let's make it. This is everything you need to make this card. It's so cute, let's go ahead and make it. These are all for the back of the card. They put these aside because these are just layers. This is also a layer, this is the sentiment, and these are the things that we're going to score. This is 12 by 4¼ We're going to score it at 5½, 6, and 6½. We're going to score this piece, which is to hold it closed. It's 1½. We're going to score it at 3/4, 1½ by 4. So you're going to keep that over here. And these two pieces is to make your actual box. This is 4¾ by 1. We're going to score it at 1/4, 3/4, 4, and 4½. And this piece is 3¾ by 3/4, and this is going to be scored at 1/4 and 3½. And that's it for these. We're going to fold and burnish on all score lines. So this one is going to be like this. Let's make the trough. You're going to stick this like so. So I'm going to put some glue here. And this is going to be stuck onto the top here like so. Then I'm going to put some glue here and close this. So this should look like this. I should be able to do this. Let's put that aside and let's start working on this. We're going to have these and we're going to emboss all of these. So we're going to emboss this first. Beautiful. And now we're going to emboss these pieces as well, just like this. And right, so we're going to stick this onto here like this. This piece is going to be stuck like this. And we're going to stick this in here now. You're going to turn it over and we're going to stick this on the outside like this. And now we're going to stick this closed like this. And then we're going to stick this on the outside here. Alright, so this card looks like this. We're going to stick this on here like so. It's perfect. And now we're going to take this trough and fill it right down here, making sure the top is at the top of this one. We're going to put some layers on this like this. now let's decorate it. We're gonna make some beautiful flowers. I've done some leaves to go with them. We're gonna add our flowers to the box. So let's just add one here. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this card. The cuteness is real. And don't forget to stick the top before. You see, even, look, I've been making cards for years and I still make these little silly mistakes. So you can do it. Make cards. If you like this video, don't forget to give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. If you'd like to support my channel, you can buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/crystalmess. Thanks guys, bye.